Haven't touched this building yet.
Behind the scenes at Hidden Meadows, the holiday magic has been replaced with damage control. Floodwaters made their way into multiple buildings, forcing the family to cancel the rest of the Christmas event just weeks after opening. The venue sits about 1,000 yards from the Snohomish River, and this time the water lingered, leaving behind soaked floors and buildings. Their commercial kitchen took on water. Their indoor mini golf course was flooded. Christmas scenes from Santa's house to kids' play areas were rushed into storage in just hours with help from about 30 volunteers.
This isn't going to deter us from doing it. You know, it's really a special family time for us, but also to share it with the community. Next year will be bigger and better, and we'll make sure of the water staying out of here.